My name's Lou Barker, and today we are going to review how to install the PMScreens application to an Android device and how to use it. So the first thing you need to do is get the file to your Android device. Now, if you got Pronto for Windows installed, it'll be in your C:\Pronto4W directory, and if you scroll down, you will see PMScreens APK. You can simply email that file to your email account on your Android device. Sometimes some emails might not allow it to go through. Simply contact us and we can send you a link to the PMScreens, and that'll avoid having to get that through your email. I've done that, so I'm going to open up my Gmail account here, and there is the email right there that I've used or sent to myself, and there's the link. I'm going to click on it and we'll download it. And there it goes. We'll open the file. Now it's going to try to install it. Depending on your settings, you may have to change your settings to allow installation from unknown sources. If you need to do that, simply Google it. And depending on the Android revision, they're installed from unknown sources, maybe in different locations, but it's quite easy to find. So the file is installed. I'm going to find it here. And if you look, there's PMScreens. I'm going to open that. Also, I'm going to go back here and get into my settings because I need to pair this with my Ranger unit, and depending for each individual unit that you own that has Bluetooth, you'll have to pair each one up, but it's a very easy process. First of all, you want to make sure Bluetooth is active, and under your connected devices, you simply click on Paired New Device, and there's my PM7000. It's asking for a pairing code. The pairing code is 1234. Click OK, and now that PM7000 is paired, we'll go back to my PMScreens. We're going to select a connection, click on Bluetooth, scan for devices. It found my PM7000. Connect up. And within the PMScreens application, you have the normal screens where you can control and configure your PM 2000, 3000, 7000, 4000, any Ranger product with Bluetooth. You can use PMScreens to control and display information. There's also a few more tabs here. PM meter, for instance, will display the channels that you have set up real time. There's a tab here called PM Wave. You simply click on that. And if you have any AC voltage going in, it will show those waveforms. Right now I'm connected only to the battery charger, so there's no pertinent information there. Clicking on PM Wave Harmonics will show you the harmonic bar graphs. And then you have PM Files. PM Files basically connects up to the unit and it reads all your configuration files that are in there. It'll also display your MDM files. Um, if you have a PM 1000, 2000, or 3000, you can probably utilize this to download the information to your phone. Depending on the file size. Some of the newer 3000s with the extended memory, it may take a while. So um, you might want to double check on this file size because uh, each megabyte of file to transfer from the unit via Bluetooth at 115 kilobaud, it takes about 4 minutes. So a 10 meg file like we see here, that would take about 40 minutes. So we're not going to do that. This PM Files application is also located on in that directory, that Pronto4W directory here that we discussed, and it's right there. If you want to transfer files using PM Files, I would suggest for 7,000 or larger files on a 3,000 or 4,000 to utilize the desktop version and actually connect up via the cable. So that covers the PMScreens Android application. Thank you. If you have any needs or troubles, please feel free to contact us at Synergy Systems. Have a good day.